The Earth is 4.5 billion years old, and humans are believed to evolve through time. In fact, all living things continue to evolve up until today. Let's say, for example, in a class, students' grades reflect on their work ethic and how much work they put in. Those who worked hard will definitely pass the course rather than those who are lazy and lacks work ethic. Now, there's a difference between someone who's punctual and always late in class, someone who studies for tests and quizzes, and someone who barely studies, someone who pays attention in class, and someone who doesn't. It is to say that those who are hardworking will continue to survive and pass throughout the course, while others will fail. Now, let's provide a real-life example. During high school, students are given loads of schoolworks to prepare them for college so that it'll be somehow easier for them to adapt in terms of workload and work quality so that they'll be able to meet the standards of the school. In genetics, deletion is a mutation in which a part of a chromosome or a sequence of DNA is lost during DNA replication. Duplication is a type of mutation in which a portion of a genetic material or a chromosome is duplicated or replicated, resulting multiple copies of that region. An inversion occurs when a single chromosome undergoes breakage and rearrangement within itself. When you take antibiotics, follow the directions carefully. It is important to finish your medicine, even if you feel better. If you stop treatment too soon, some bacteria may survive and reinfect you. So do not save antibiotics for later or use someone else's prescription. Organisms with desired traits, such as size or taste, are artificially mated or cross-pollinated with organisms with similar desired traits. As a result of natural selection, the proportion of organisms in a species with characteristics that are adapted to a given environment increases with each generation. Biological evolution is defined as any genetic change in a population that is inherited over several generations. Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection states that all species of organisms arise and develop through the natural selection of small, inherited variations that increase the individual's ability to compete, survive, and reproduce. His theory has had far-reaching effects on science and the way we understand life. Georges Cuvier. James Hutton. Charles Lyell. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Carl Linnaeus. Evolution over time can follow several different patterns. Factors such as environment and predation pressures can have different effects on the ways in which species exposed to them evolve. The three main types of evolution are divergent, convergent, and coevolution. Human activities can affect the genetic diversity of populations in various ways. The following are a few examples. Habitats may become fragmented because of man-made geographic barriers, as well as unregulated hunting can cause populations to decline abruptly and cause genetic drift. Breeding programs have led to artificial selection of genes in plants and animals, causing changes to phenotypic and genotypic frequencies in population. Development of antibiotics and other medicines has narrowed gene pools of bacteria, leading to drug-resistant species. That's the end of the video, and always remember to keep educating yourself.